Hi, this is Noah from ScreenPrintExchange.com. I will be reviewing the Vevor automatic electric wire stripping machine after 40 hours of use. This is my honest assessment of it. I'm not getting paid by Vevor. It's only $165. You can get it for a lot less other places. I've already started modifying it, but this video will be the good and the bad on this. The good thing is it's much better than hand stripping. The bad news is there's a lot, but we can make this machine much better in future videos. So the number one minor problem is this machine needs Loctite. These bolts will rattle loose. This knob will come off. This jam nut will come off. And this jam nut shouldn't even have that. Maybe this should be pinned in. And this knob could be much better. This jam nut will vibrate loose, and this controls the height of the blade. So this will go up and down. You'll have random things. This rod is too coarse. It would be better if it was not as coarse, because you can have better, it'll be easier to adjust. This holds this rod in, and if you tighten it too much, it'll be very hard to move this up and down, and so you have to keep it a little bit loose so you can adjust this. The biggest problem on this machine I've had is this part right here. This is what grips the wire, and over 40 hours the grooves that attack the rubber part of the wires are becoming less abrasive, so it doesn't always grip the wire. So sometimes, and more than sometimes now, I have to actually pull it from the other side. So that's discouraging. So I'm going to probably Dremel this out or buy the newer ones. I think the newer one has a crosshatch grooves in it, so that's not good. So okay, so you actually have to attach this to a table, otherwise it will go like this. Okay, so when it is going through the machine, the wire likes to go in here, and then you'll hear the fan hitting it, and it could even wrap around the rotor and you can get electrocuted. Isn't that fun? So this machine does not have a fuse, so you might have to go to your breaker box when it blows a fuse. So that's not very safe. So we will be doing future videos on how to make this better, like adding a foot pedal and other switches and whatnot. So these wire feeders I've had issues with. It doesn't align it right, and the wire will move over, and you're not stripping anything. I've removed this plate as well. This used to be over here, but the wires pull out if you because there's nothing holding it. So these are things that this machine needs to be fixed on. Like I said, it's a good starter machine. I don't think I'd buy it again. I would buy a better brand or a more complex one, maybe one with different feeding things that are continuous. So this is my honest review. Go to ScreenPrintExchange.com for future videos, and I will have drawings and schematics on how to make this better. So thank you. Bye.